Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me today. Guess what? I just picked up my iPhone 12 Pro Max from the Apple Store. So today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Not like any of those pro unboxing channels, but just gonna do my bit on unboxing this new baby. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and share with whoever you want to share with. All right, let's get started with unboxing. So as you can see, this is the phone, and this is the silicone case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's open this one later. For now, let's just open this one. All right. So this is how it looks apparently. So let's just pick up the phone and let's see. So unlike the previous model like 11 and 10, it has this sharp edges, not the round. That the round, it used to be round in the 10 and 11, but that's not the case here. And this has, the back has this matte finish, I would say, but this one is, the sidebar is like stainless steel. All right, let's keep this phone aside and let's see what's in the box. Wow, lightning cable, and of course the paperwork, and that's pretty much. Well, I got in the Pacific blue, so kind of feels, I mean, I have been using the 10 generation 10s Max, so the size, well, there's a difference. I can't show you the difference in the size between the 10s Max and the 12 Pro Max because I'm using my other iPhone to film this video. So, but then I have been holding that and I kind of don't feel, a lot of difference between, the 10s Max. And so if you are a Max user and you're upgrading to a Max, then you're not going to feel a lot of difference. But if you're not a Max user, you have been using the smaller versions and then you are upgrading to Max, then definitely there's a difference in the feel of the size. So let's start the phone and let's see how it looks. Now let's okay, now let's start this up. Hello, hola, bonjour, ciao. Okay, let's select the language, English, no, region, setting language, quick start. Okay, I have to do the setup now and then I'll show you after the setup is done. So the setup is almost halfway through. Well, while it's getting fully set up, I'm just going to open the case for this iPhone. So one of the things that I noticed in this phone right away is this stainless steel. You can see lots of fingerprints and it just make it look, I don't know, for me, it looks super annoying and super dirty. But the back, the matte finish, it just looks, well, absolutely fabulous. I just love it. But the sidebar, the stainless steel part is just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it in the case just to make sure that I don't have to see this fingerprints. So let's just do that. And also for some reason, I mean, it just makes me feel, this phone it just reminds me of the 5th generation. I think maybe it's just because of how the edges looks like. Okay, I'm just gonna put this phone on the case, and then maybe we can do some testing on the camera, especially on the low light mode, because right now it's night. And I think one of the reasons that I'm filming this video is because I really wanted to check out night mode photos. So this is the case that I got for my new phone. So this is the silicone case, and it's says MagSafe. So if you want to use MagSafe, then this case is MagSafe enabled. So let's just open this one. So this is how the packaging looks like. Well, as usual, it's pretty. So you can see the ring here for the MagSafe. So I got this in cypress green. This is the cypress green, more of like the olive green. And I wanted to get it like in the blue for the Pacific blue, but they don't have, you know, something closer to the blue, Pacific blue. So I got this one. Oh wow. Okay, now it's ready. I just love the fact that this silicone cover has this protective which kind of protect the camera when you keep it. So I think I really like it. Well, that's pretty much unboxing done. Now time to test. I'll just try to take a few picture with my previous phone and the new phone, and try to make a comparison so that we can see, you know, those distinctive features that they have been telling all about. So there's a huge difference between the quality of the video here. My entire video is being filmed by my older phone, the 10th generation one, and now this part of the video is filmed using my new iPhone. So there's a huge difference. The clarity, the lighting. I really was struggling with the lighting in itself when I was filming using my old phone, but right now, I mean, this is absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is something that I really need. And one of the reasons why I upgraded to the new iPhone is because of this special feature of the new iPhone, that I can take a much clearer picture, or maybe clearer videos in the low light mode. So this is absolutely fantastic. So if you're somebody like me who kind of rely on your iPhone to take lots of pictures and videos, then this could be a good upgrade. Here are some of the photos taken using the 12 Pro Max. Now let's compare. Photos on the left are from 12 Pro Max and on the right are from 10s Max. And as you can see in the portrait mode, especially in the low light area, there is a huge difference. And here is a short video from my 12 Pro Max using the 3 different cameras. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.